What happened to you? Because you are just texting while you are walking.
No, I'm
What
not
happened?
testing though.
What you will do now?
Sorry, I don't know. 'Cause
What happened, mom? Like you are texting and you are walking and
Sorry.
it's already broken, mom. What happened now?
Sorry po.
What I will do for the story? You already broke my phone.
Sorry.
Please, when you are walking, try to concentrate the way you are walking, not you are just texting and chatting. Okay, because for this time we are only making a prank with you.
Sorry.
Let's say hi to the camera. It's only a prank. What's your name?
I'm Bea.
Okay, I'll give you my. Bye.
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry now, not you. Bye.
Basha PHTV.
So what happened to you? You are walking right and left. Excuse me. It's already broken. My phone broke because you are just texting while you are walking. Because you are just texting while you are walking.
no, I'm
What
not
happened?
testing though.
You are
Not
doing
test-
something.
I'm not
Concentrate though.
testing.
See, it's already broken now. My phone.
You are the one
watching
who
you.
touching who.
What you will do now?
Sorry, I don't know. 'Cause
What's your
I
name?
don't have not. No, why did you?
No, I want your name because we are pranking you, so we can also put it on the YouTube.
God.
Stand up, fellas. Okay, no, nothing happened. So, push up. Okay, what's your name?
Gail po.
Gael. Okay, Gael. Bye-bye.
Basha PHTV.
What happened to you? Come here. Oi. You are texting and you are walking. What's beside you?
Ay, wala ba sa mga...
You had you could you once
Wala ba sa mga...
Yeah, I'm walking and you just hit me.
Wala gid sir.
What will I consider? What I consider? It's already broken now. My cell phone. You cannot see.
Nakana ko sir.
What you will do now for this one?
Nakana ko ito sir.
What's your name?
Jumar.
Jomar.
Namo.
So what you will do now for the cell phone?
No. Igor, nakana sir.
Do you have camera? Reviewing camera? You did not even put signal or traffic light or something this one here and then like to know that you are passing by. We are just pranking you there. See the camera? Fine. Get it? It's a prank.
Sir.
Basha PHTV.